This is the S&P 500 Spider ETF SPY one-day reading for December 3rd, 2025. It's currently December 3rd, 2025, 9:11 a.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading, $681.53. That's USD. And the shuffle video for the December 3rd reading was created on November 23rd, 2025 at 11:39 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this video playing for you here. So if you're new to the channel, what we're going to cover in this daily video is the overall trend direction for SPY throughout the day. We're going to give you the hour-by-hour sequence of chart events and any trades that we see that look to be good, as well as timing of highs and lows whenever possible. It's important that you understand that the system of SO meta-analysis, which is what we're showing you right now, it was developed to predict sequence of chart events and timing, but the sequence of chart events is always going to be more accurate than the timing. The timing is usually on point to the hour with one of these daily readings, but there are cases where you'll need to give it plus or minus an hour to wiggle room, and the reason is that these cards going left or right across the screen are what you call timeline cards in SO meta-analysis. In a daily reading, they represent about 1 hour of time, but not each card's energy will necessarily line up perfectly with 1 hour time. That's why you want to pay close attention to the sequence of chart events. And it's also a good reason. It's a reason to have. It's a good idea, I should say, to have access to our early access subscription, which gives you the live Discord trade alerts. Whenever you can ask questions whenever, if something seems a little confusing or the timing seems off or something like that, you can ask questions about it. I update people on what I see happening as things progress. This is more of a expectation of what should happen, but if things change, you're able to see in real time in these readings the error and course correct. So I'll show you guys how to get those Discord alerts at the end of this video. With that said, let's get into it. So we've got, for the overall theme, the fortune card indicating a notable reversal and or multiple reversals. Behavior around the highest high, we have a notable move into the high, but it looks like it's nullified, meaning that there's chart behavior afterwards that makes it that move into the high kind of irrelevant. Behavior around the low, we have a sideways fluctuating rally preceding a notable decline into the low. And we're advised to trade around a decline to and through support to meet another support. We rotate sideways along that second support and then break down through multiple supports into the low. Or excuse me, not necessarily into the low, but that's what we're looking for as far as the trade. We've got price swings in the pre-market. It actually looks like up until just a few moments ago, my short position that we advised to open up around these levels yesterday, these 628, 80-ish levels, it looked like we were going to be wrong, but that drop right before this open here, about 9 o'clock it started, put us back into confident, profitable territory. Now, as far as the RSI goes, we're at the bottom end of the RSI, so we probably see some movement to the upside, and then probably more to the downside into sideways rotation here with this Ace of Discs. Cross-reading congruency puts us at the Hierophant card on the 1 month. But there are traces of Knight of Wands as well, and even some Sun. So what I would probably do is cash out at sideways rotation at a trough or a lowest low thus far here, around between 10 and 11, probably closer to 11, sideways rotation at a trough. Cash out of the short positions that we opened yesterday, just before that drop in the last few minutes. And then there's a pop and a drop, like a move higher and a full retracement out of that trough and then back into a trough. So move higher out of that trough and then back into a trough taking place between 11 and 12. We've got another low or U-shaped dip forming here between 12 and 1 o'clock, maybe 12 and 2 o'clock, somewhere in there. U-shaped dip that then turns into a rally. But there's a notable reversal in there. And likely we have another low towards the end of the day. A sideways rotation, big move higher, and then a drop into a low probably around the close. I wouldn't wait for those lows to cash out of the short. Rule of thumb when trading SO meta-analysis is take that profit early and then look for another entry, another good entry. As soon as you got profit, take it, because the longer your money's in the market, guys, the more likely you are to lose it. It's just a law of probability. It's mathematics. Everything, once your money is in the market, everything is designed to keep it from you. So take it as soon as you got that profit there around 10 to 11 o'clock, probably closer to 11. And then at this low that we have midday, it'll probably take place. I'd probably open up a partial long around 12 o'clock when we revisit the trough from 11-ish. And then if we do go lower between 12 and 2, I would add to that long. I'm not expecting to close out of that long today. That would be a long swing trade into this fast sudden move higher we have on 12.4 into a day's high there. And that's my sense, is that we probably are going to want to do that. We've got the unicursal hexagram in the high significator position on the 4th. That's usually indicating an important price level. This rune here also indicating an important price level. We've got a cross-reading congruency for the Knight of Wands ending a rally with a fast and move higher. I think that's probably where we'll want to exit those longs. So look to accumulate long position towards the afternoon session. And that's SPY for December 3rd, 2025. My friends, I've got some great news. We've extended our early access, we extended our Black Friday deal. It's most likely we're gonna have that through Christmas. Hard to say, but I think we'll probably have it through Christmas. Right now, everything on the website is 50% off. That means you can get early access for $75 instead of $150, monthly access for $150 instead of $300, total access for $250 instead of $500, and then all of these custom readings as well. These are 50% off. All of this stuff, guys. So don't miss out on these deals. Wanted to make it, we always try to make Black Friday like super affordable so that anybody that's not able to afford it can hop onto this. Much love and appreciation to everybody that jumps on these deals. By the way, that's until canceled. So you keep that 50% discount until canceled, guys. Much love again to anybody that goes ahead and does that. Blessings to all my angel investors following that rule of karma on the resources tab. 5% forward, 5% backwards, 90% out of love. Make sure you follow those rules. The universe considers you an angel investor. It's going to send it back to you tenfold for following through. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.